Assalamualaikum friends, I am Muhammad Naeem and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about hard DC inverter AC outdoor PCB wiring connections. This is a red color wires. It is called ACL wire. Its color is red and this wire's color is blue. It is called ACN wire. And this is a pink color wires. It is called our communication wire. It is also called CP wire. This is a four-way valve connector. Here you can watch. This is a four-way valve which is located in our outdoor. And this 6 wires connector is for our electronic expansion valve. This connector is consist on 6 wires and it is our four-way valve connector. And these 4 small connectors are our discharge temperature sensor, suction temperature sensor, and outdoor ambient temperature sensor and defrost temperature sensor. This connector is for outdoor DC condensing fan motor. Here you can watch outdoor DC condensing fan motor. Its connector is consist on 5 wires. These blue and yellow wires are P and N wires. Here you can watch connector module power. It is also connect on our power module. And this connector is module common connector. It is also connect on our outdoor PCB and also connect on our power module. This is a blue color wires. Here you can read ACL and ACN. Here you can watch written ACN. And here you can watch ACL out written. These 2 wires are connected in our power module. Here you can watch red and blue is connected in our power module. And these 2 connector wires are called power reactor connector wires L0 and L1. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share my videos. Comment below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.